doing it.
Yeah, go! Go! Go!
Hold on.
Go!
Are you...
Wait, do that face again? Do that face again?
Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Yeah.
I'm ready for
It
this.
starts over here. It starts on my side.
Are you doing 2 and she's doing 2?
No. We're doing a whole 4. Wait. We're still passing by. Just wait.
Dude, what the hell? Oh, you're about to fail, you're about to fail!
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
You failed.
That's alright.
Dude, you so failed.
Morgan, you like to get on my kid?
You don't have to see!
Oh my god. Dude, you're just like pressing them really quick.
I got this lovely shot of your nose. Make a face, Gordon!
Occupied! You don't have to look at the
Make a face!
That's true, I don't. Wait, it's quiet hours.
Don't lick my camera.
It's just like, it would like it, trust me.
Would it?
Yes, it would.
I don't know about that.
I'm just supposed to
True. Okay.
There's hardly any misses. I'm losing tons of stamina over here. I'm losing stamina.
Yeah, you should build that up.
My hands are like...
Gosh, Morgan, I thought you had built it up. I guess not.
My hands are like stopping
I
about...
just hated my boyfriend for the
weekend. What do you think?
Oh, so you're just worn out.
Yeah. It happens.
I don't doubt it. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
Why? This is so much fun. Yeah, we're almost done probably. I don't know. You have to look at the camera more. What? Oh, hi.
Look at the camera more, not for a split second, then look away. God damn.
Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Anyway. Can we get famous on YouTube? Make us famous.
You're so weird.
Make us famous. Oh. Wow.
I'm Morgan. Make us famous.
Kind of demented.
Yeah, very demented. Oh, I gotta get that. Oh. Okay, go. You're a girl. You're supposed to... You gonna spew it out your nose? Spew it out your nose! Spew it out your nose! Aww.
Advertising for Monster.
Product placement for the win!
My nose, that would hurt so much.
What?
Jill, you need to be in it. Turn it around.
Turn around! Technically, it turned around.
He's the sexy one.
What?
That's a very low standard of sexy.
God damn!
Kidding.
Did you sit on your computer?
No, it's not on my arm.
Yeah, Morgan's computer likes to hibernate. And yeah, I totally got an A on that many feet. I don't know how many feet that is. But yeah, an A on that many feet. What? Take your shirt on, little person.
Yeah, I look ugly right now. They wouldn't like me anymore.
Yeah, whatever.
I do.
You're clutching your butt. What a very nice butt.
My butt wins.
Okay, but we can't see your butt. You're sitting down.
You know what? No!
Don't put your computer into hibernation.
But it likes to hibernate.
I know. Ooh, stand up so we can see your ass.
Pay more attention to the camera.
Courtney. Oh. Do.
No, she's not telling me I can't fight with her.
Oh, fine. I'm also not a gay man.
Hey, I have a vagina.
That's my point.
Vagina.
Vagina. Now we all just think it. We don't say it.
What? Vagina?
Snakes are amphibians.
Chickens are birds. Cardboard tastes bad.
Does it?
It does taste bad.
Does it?
Yeah. Tastes bad.
Cardboard cups suck ass.
we have frog sticks in a tank.
Yeah, okay, you want to see a frog sticks in a tank? Frog sticks in a tank!
With a dead fish right there.
Oh yeah, we have a dead fish too. Where's the dead fish? I want the dead fish.
Dead fish! Watch out, let me find dragonfish.
Okay, where's dragonfish? Dragonfish is somewhere in here.
Dragonfish better not be dead. Dragonfish isn't dead.
Dragon.
Man, this Molly has the shit that hasn't dropped yet. Been there for like an hour.
Gee, that was a lovely thought.
Sorry.
So, how long? Oh shit, I dropped my headphones.
How long can this take for?
I was kind of, dude,